All right, y'all, I think we in business. Light, it's on now, so that's a good thing. Moment of truth. Hopefully this doesn't blow my engine. Let's go. Clutch, not brake, clutch. Let's go. I need more gas, more juice. One more time. Come on, baby, come on. All right, I'm gonna charge it a little bit more. Okay, this is test number 2. Hopefully it works this time. It should. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's go. Check it. Come on, baby, don't let me down. Yes, there we go. That's what we do. No more stress, no more bums. Listen to that sound. All right, stay tuned. The next clips are gonna be sound tests. Nothing but sound tests. Let's go. Peace. Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? I just got done doing all my sound testing for my exhaust. I tried getting the angle as best as I could. If you didn't enjoy it, then I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. The mount of my camera was kind of hard to angle everything, but I had to change location like 3 times just for this project because I didn't want to get caught by neighbors and all these other people. But I'm done for now. All I gotta say is that it's not the loudest, but pretty soon it's gonna be louder because I have a surprise for all you guys. All this coronavirus stuff is making it hard to get all my products, but it's gonna be here. Stay tuned. Love you all and peace. Support the page. If you like anything you see, subscribe like I said. Thank you.